guys, this is Choose Games, and in this video I just wanted to make an update for my new game that I've made in Unity3D, which is a multiplayer first-person shooter. So this is it right here. I'm going to go ahead and play. So the first option is, first of all, there's the user interface. And first it says to enter what player name you have, so I'll just put my YouTube name. Just Choose Games, and I'm going to submit. Now I have the options to play, to go to the options, or to exit the application. I'm just going to hit play. We have single player or multiplayer. Currently there's no AI, no enemies. So the single player, there's not much to do. In the multiplayer, you basically just shoot each other, so there's a bit more functionality there. Yep, we have the option to create a room and join a random room. If somebody else creates a room, it will appear down here. And if there's multiple rooms and you don't know which one to choose, you can just choose the join random room and it'll pick one at random. Or you could just create your own. So we're gonna do that. We've got a bunch of options here. The first one is what your room name is called. Your room name will appear down here, and the maximum amount of players will appear down here, and then they can just click on that, and yeah, so they can join. So the room name automatically defaults to Choose Games, and then your name, and then room, and also has the maximum amount of players to be in your room. So you can set this to the 6, whether it's a public room or not, whether you need a password to enter the room. I do have these 3 maps, but I only have 1 map right now, so I'm just going to use map 1 and create the room and join. Spawn. So you're going to spawn in one of the 6 random spawn points. There's one where it just spawned. There's one in every corner, and there's 2 others in the buildings. One here and one here. So I added a few animations. There is a idle animation, which is just the gun moving up and down like you're breathing. I did add a walking animation where the gun tilts slightly and is rapidly moving up and down. I also added an aiming animation, so you have more accuracy. I also added collectibles, but they have no functionality. All that happens is when you collide with them, they just destroy themselves. So pretty useless. I also added this barrel, and all my barrels and crates can be destroyed. So if you are going to play this game, make sure you have a friend playing well. If you want to play this game, all you have to do is go to choosegames.net. Then you got the options here, go to games, and then it's the multiplayer shooter. And you do have to have Unity web player, so it doesn't work on Chrome. So play it on Internet Explorer or Safari or Firefox. But just play it with friends so you can play the multiplayer. That's it. I do need to add a second gun and enemies. And maybe these consumables need to be functional. They can't just disappear. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.